Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to G Bear's Off-Grid Ways, a homestead in the desert. And here we are on November 18th. I'm sorry I didn't post yesterday. It was just a beautiful day yesterday. It crested at a high of 82 degrees here at the homestead. And I was walking around with just shorts and flip-flops on. What a beautiful summer day. So now we got clouds in the sky, so let's see what's going to happen with that. Anyway, there's supposed to be low pressure moving in over us, and it's going to cool things down again going into the rest of the week. So we'll see. I just closed up Tomcat because he was enjoying the weather today until the clouds moved in and started cooling down a little bit. And I didn't want him to get too cold in there. And I put his heating bottles in there already, so he's going to be good for the night. He's got plenty of food and water. Yeah, that's what we're looking at in the sky. So, interesting. All right, so let's get down to the nitty-gritty. I'm going to walk towards the garden because I got to close things up down there. But while I'm heading down that way, I want to mention that we're going to be starting the drawing for the drawing contest for the seeds, the next batch of seeds. Probably, I mentioned the other day that I was going to try to get out the information by the end of this week, but this is the best information I can give you because I forgot that next Thursday is Thanksgiving. And everybody's going to have other things to do. So I usually notice that I have a little bit of a drop-off in viewers and views during Thanksgiving week because of family gatherings and things like that. Of course, this year with the COVID thing going around, who knows? But just in case, I decided that what I'm going to do is the next drawing contest is going to start on 11/28, November 28th, and I'll have all the rules posted before that, and then the drawing will be on December 6th, the day before Pearl Harbor Day, and that's something that we can do is plant some seeds in remembrance of those that died on Pearl Harbor Day. Anyway, that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to be posting those rules soon. Now, here's something that I came up with that I'm going to be doing as an additional on this drawing contest for seeds, for free seeds. And, I never heard from Pennsylvania if those seeds got there or not. But I've got a tracking number, so I tracked it and said that they have. So, but I would like to hear how you like those seeds, and I'm sure everybody else would like to hear that too. So anyway, what I'm going to do for an added thing in the next drawing or the next drawing contest is I'm going to shoot videos every day after the contest starts. Okay, so every time a video posts, you'll be able to put your name in, same way as last time, saying I'm here, or I'm in California, or I'm in Texas, I'm in Missouri, whatever, wherever you are. You're going to put the words I'm in, comma, and the state you're in. But you're going to be able to get a second entry each day. And the way that's going to work is I'm going to post or hide a package of seeds. One of those package of seeds, like, let's see, let's say this one here. I'll hide a package of seeds somewhere on my homestead. And as I'm walking around doing my video, you will see that package of seeds. And all you have to do for your second entry of the day will be to say seeds at and whatever the location is. And you'll get a second entry from that. Okay, so let's say the seeds are on that table right there. So you'll say seeds on table. Or if the seeds were, and they're not going to always be inside of this room, so they'll be anywhere on my homestead. There'll be a pack of seeds, and it'll be visible. You'll be able to see it, but you're going to have to watch the video to see when it shows up. Let's say it's on that shelf right over there by those plants there. So you're going to say seeds on shelf in garden house. Okay. Or seeds on shelf near raspberries. Anything like that actually tells me that you know where the seed pack was. So there'll be a seed pack there. Now, here's another added bonus. Because it's going to be visible and you're going to be able to see the seed pack, if you can also name what the seed is, what they are, if it's asparagus, say asparagus, you'll get a third entry the same day. So you'll be able to get 3 entries per day under your name. So I think that's going to be a little bit of a fun thing to do. It's a little more work for me, but what the heck, you guys are worth it. You're my subscribers, you're my viewers, you're all worth it. And I really appreciate you joining me every day for my videos. So I'm trying to up my viewership. I've still got 2/3 of the people who watch my videos on a regular basis are not subscribed. I don't understand why they're not subscribed. Subscribe. You're not eligible for these giveaways unless you're subscribed. And that's why we only had a couple of hundred of people, even though I've got 4,000 plus viewers or subscribers. We only had a couple of 100 that actually watched the videos and got in on the seed giveaways. So also, those of you who jump around to different channels, make sure you tell other people on other channels, hey, did you know G Bears got a seed giveaway? And this next seed giveaway is going to be bigger than the last one. Yes, instead of $75 worth of seeds, there might be $100 worth of seeds. Or maybe $150 worth of seeds. I'm going to be putting together one heck of a package because it's a beautiful sunset tonight and I'm in a good mood. So I hope you all are too. This is going to be a short video. I'm going to cut off that, but remember, there's going to be some extras in the next seed giveaway. You'll be able to get your name in up to 3 times a day. And that's going to be a plus for you guys, right? So, and my friend out there on the East Coast in Pennsylvania, please let me know how you like the seeds that you got. And let us all know. We'll all be happy to hear from you. This is G Bear reminding you, give me a thumbs up down there. Don't forget to subscribe. There's too many of you not subscribed. 60-something% of my viewers, daily viewers, they view my videos every day, and 60-something% of them, or 63, 64%, are not subscribed. Can you figure that out for me? It's free. Doesn't cost you anything. No, you're not going to get spammed by every advertiser in the world. You only get the advertisements that are on my videos, and you only get my videos. That's it. So subscribe. Get down there and subscribe. And these giveaways are going to get better as we go along. I just saw something today that when I was working, well, actually, I saw it yesterday. Because it was windy yesterday, I was working inside of the containers, organizing things, and I realized I have some items in there that are collector's items, and I'm going to be giving those away probably before Christmas because they're great Christmas items, and they're not cheap either. They're expensive items, and you're going to want to get in on that one. All right, everybody. Thanks for joining me. This is G Bear signing off.